How to contact customer support agent Binance. After you open up your Binance app like this, go to this menu at the top left side. Now scroll to down and go to this more services. From this option, now scroll to down and go to this chat. This one, chat. So from this chat section, now scroll to down, go to this get support button. So from this option now, all you have to do now tap on this search. So now go ahead now and type in P2P like this. Just type in P2P. After you type in P2P, just select one of these options. Select this one, second one, P2P appeal status. Now scroll to down again and tap on this search again and type in P2P again, P2P. So now tap on this send button, this now. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this option, this one which says unsub. Tap on this unsub button. After you tap on the unsub button, now tap on this search and type in customer support, and tap on this send button. So now in this option now if I tap on this, if you tap on this OK button, now it will allow you to chat with Binance customer support. Now just tap on this OK button, it will allow you to, it will transfer you to real human to chat with him. That's it guys on how to chat with customer support agent Binance.